If you're in search for the best lightweight text editor in Windows, then you should download this Notepad++. It is free and it is the best software or the text editor which you can use. So one of the advantages is that in the normal Notepad you cannot open more than one document or few document, while in this case you can open 10, 20, 50. So a lot of features are there in this Notepad++, which will make your life very easy, and since it is a very light software, it won't take much of your RAM, so your productivity will be at the highest level. So just download that. Just search for Notepad++ and you will stumble upon this website, notepad-plus-plus.org, and you can download the installer and you can install like this. And then the installation process is pretty neat. All you have to do is just click on next, 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 and it will be done within a few seconds. So that is very efficient of this Notepad++. And here we have our Notepad++. And you can see you can create a number of files.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.